Unang-una ho ay gusto namin magpasalamat sa Pilgrims for Peace for organizing this forum on the current developments in the peace negotiations between the Government of the Philippines, GPH, and the National Democratic Front of the Philippines. Matagal na namin ina-appreciate deeply yung tulong at participation ng Pilgrims for Peace sa pag-promote ng just and lasting peace on the basis of addressing the roots of the armed conflict in the Philippines. Balak ko magbigay ng very brief rundown ng developments starting noong December of 2010 nung nag-meet kami ni Alex Padilla at Pablito Sanidad sa Hong Kong. Kami ni Connie at ako at yung legal consultant namin na si Rachel Pastores ng Public Interest Law Center. Doon sa 2-day meeting namin sa Hong Kong on December 1 and December 2, nakapag-agree kami na magkaroon ng preliminary talks sa Oslo, Norway in January. At prior to that, nagkapag-agree kami magkaroon ng 19-day Christmas ceasefire. So, nakapunta kami dito ni kasamang Connie noong December 4 to December 19. Nakapag-meet kami ako kay Alex Padilla, ang chair ng GPH panel, kasama niya si Carla Monsayac Villalta ng OPAP Secretariat, at ako kasama ko naman si Isa Dumanhugpalo na siyang head ng NDFP nominated section ng Joint Secretariat diyan sa Cubao. Nag-agree kami kung pag-prepare ng preliminary talks gagawin sa Oslo noong January 14 to 18 with the facilitation of the Norwegian government. So naganap yung January 14 to 18 na preliminary talks. At the end of the preliminary talks, nagkaroon ng joint communique. At doon sa joint communique na napirmahan namin ni Alex Padilla at ni Joma Sison as Chief Political Consultant ng NDFP at ni Pablito Sanidad na member ng panel at saka ni Ambassador Ture Lund ng Norwegian Facilitation Team, nakalagay doon na the GPH, the Government of the Philippines, agreed to work for the expeditious release of the NDFP consultants who are detained and other JASIC protected by the Joint Agreement on Safety and Immunity Guarantees. So yun ang nakalagay doon, at sabi magkakaroon ng resumption of formal talks February 15 to 21, 2011 sa Oslo, at magkakaroon ng ceasefire sa February 15 to 21 din. Noong February 15 to 21, nagkaroon nga ng resumption of formal talks after almost 7 years na suspend. Walang talks under the Macapagal Arroyo regime. Walang talks dahil na-suspend nila, at sa tingin namin invalidly suspend yung Joint Agreement on Safety and Immunity Guarantees. Nagkaroon ng joint statement noong February 15 to 21 at saka pirmado ng all members of the panel of both sides at saka din ng Norwegian facilitator, si Ambassador Ture Lund. Doon, nag-agree na magkakaroon ng meetings yung reciprocal working committees on social and economic reforms in June, and subsequently to also have bilateral meetings in August. Nag-agree din na yung working group on political and constitutional reforms would also meet even in April and later in June.
Kapayapaan.